Here we are in like the little pit that that grate has got. Goes down to here. And that's a little crack right there. Might be just kind of like a surface crack. Not too bad. There's another joint. You can see it's kind of offset in a few spots, but nothing too bad. A little offset. Nada. So there's just some buildup. I don't think it's tree roots. I'm thinking it's just like water coming in, hard water buildup or something type of thing, mineral deposits. And this joint is definitely more open than the other ones. It does seem like it's shifted here. This is 3 feet in. And then there's some rocks in there, whether that came from the joint or whether that came from up the way and just washed down over time to this point. You know, it's hard to say, but I would think it came from that little pit up top, or even something pushed it back up and in here, like a little mouse or squirrel or something climbed in there and made a little nest. It's hard to say.